My dear students, let us start. This is the fourth part of lesson 1. So in this part, the topic is MS Windows. Right? So Windows is an operating system. Earlier I have discussed operating system. And you may consider this is the example of operating system. Okay? An operating system provides an interface between the user and hardware. Right? If you would like to work over the hardware system, so you need a such kind of system so that it will provide a interaction. Okay, suppose if I give you a hardware and I am saying to you, you have to work over it. How can you perform a task? You need some interface, some interaction, so that you can give you some instructions, right? So in the same way, what it does, it provides you interaction so that you can work efficiently over the hardware. Okay, second thing, Windows was developed by Microsoft Corporation, and this company is in USA. Okay, as you know, USA. Next, whenever this operating system gets loaded into the computer's memory, so we call that process booting. Whenever you switch on the CPU, so what happened, the operating system configuration files which are stored in the hard drive and the hard disk, it comes to the primary memory, and we call that process booting, right? Okay, next, so it is given whenever you do booting. So this type of picture you can see over the screen. Next thing, the features are programs are arranged in different folders and files. You know, it is GUI based, graphics user interface. Earlier I told it is graphic based. This point came. It has icons which help us to do different things quickly, and it is very easy to use. Right, as I told earlier, in GUI you can interact on the basis of the icons. You can click over the icons and you can interact that. But in case of CUI, you have to work by the help of commands. Okay, so remember that. And you know, the owner of this Microsoft Corporation, Bill Gates, William and Henry Bill Gates. In short, we call Bill Gates. Right, and they launched the first version in 1983. Right. Okay, so this is all about the Windows. So a few points you have to remember for your better understanding. It is an operating system which provides the interface or interaction between the user and the hardware. Second thing, all the application softwares, all the application, you know, like MS Word, MS Paint, these applications run over the operating system. Remember. Okay, so this MS Windows, you know, Microsoft Windows, generally whenever you work in the lab over the computer system, you see this MS Windows whenever you switch on your computer system. So this is the operating system which is providing you an interface so that you can work over there. Remember, if there is no window, so of course how can you work over there, right? So remember that. So this is all about in the lesson. So I have discussed this lesson in 4 parts. If anything is not clear to you, so what to do, you have to watch all the 4 parts again. Okay, so here it is given. Do you know, Nero is a CD and DVD burning software. As I told earlier, in Windows, in the latest version, you can easily burn without any software, but I recommend you to use the software to burn a CD or DVD, because there is this organized process, right, in that by the help of software. So this Nero is one of the software you may consider the best software in the field of CD and DVD burning. And one more thing I would like to tell, a CD, that is compact disc, you know very well the full form, and DVD is digital versatile disc. Remember, the difference is that CD is having very less amount of memory, you may consider like 750 or 700 MB, but DVD you may consider around 4.5 to 4.7 GB, right? Okay, so these words to remember, these have already come in the lesson. I have explained libraries, shortcut, GUI, CD burning. Right. So once again, libraries is a collection of content which is used to manage. Shortcut, so that we can easily go to that particular file or folder. Okay, quickly we can reach there. That's why you use shortcut. In same way, in market, why you use the shortcut? So that you can reach there quickly in very short of time, in very short period of time. Remember. So same here, shortcut. If you want to reach to particular file, folder, software, so you can create the shortcut. GUI, it is a graphical user interface. Remember, GUI is not the name of any device or software. Okay, it just provides it is a way or medium which makes your interaction easier. CD burning is just like copying files and folders, right? CD and DVD. So these questions I will discuss later. So let us go for the fill in the blanks first. Okay, so I hope if you have understood well, so you can do it easily. So first is dash are user defined collection of content. So answer for this question is libraries. Okay, just do that. So this is first answer. Okay, so just wait. So let us go to second one. Dash option is used to display small icons followed by the list of files and folders. So as earlier I told, this is library is the first answer. Dash option is used to display small icons followed by the list of files and folders. So this answer is list, right? So let us go to the next one. We hold down dash key and click on the desired files and folders to select non-adjacent files or folders randomly. So for this answer is control. Okay, so control, CTRL. Next, dash option help us to arrange icons of a file and folder according to its name, date modified, type and size. So remember that we have to arrange here, right? So this the answer of this is sort by, right? So I hope this will be clear to you, and sort by option is also given there, you can see. Okay, so let us go to the multiple choice questions. Dash is the option used to display files and folders in the form of icons. So the answer of this is to display file and folders in the form of icons. So the correct answer is tiles. Okay, this tiles. We can use the back and forward buttons located in the dash bar of the Windows Explorer to go back and forward. The correct answer is menu control bar. Okay, next, as we open the Windows Explorer, it is seen that dash folder is selected by default on the left pane. So the correct answer is libraries. Next, CD burning is the process of copy files to CD and DVD. So this is all about for today, right? Rest of the things I will discuss in next part. So thank you, thanks for watching.